Okay, so let's get right into it. If you or your partner snores, you already know the frustration. I mean, it's a lot. But what if the real solution isn't where you've been looking? Today, we're going to break down why your dentist, right here in Mansfield, Texas, might just hold the key to a finally quiet night's sleep. At the end of the day, this is what it's all about, isn't it? This isn't just about stopping some annoying noise. It's about actually improving your entire quality of life. Because when you can breathe better, you sleep better. And believe me, when you sleep better, you absolutely live better. I know, it sounds a little weird at first. We think of dentists for things like cavities, cleanings, not snoring. But just stick with me here because the connection between what's going on in your mouth and your airway is one of the most overlooked and most important parts of getting real restorative sleep. So first things first, we've got to reframe the whole problem. The number one thing to get your head around is that snoring isn't just a sound. It's a physical signal, and it's directly tied to a problem with your airflow when you're trying to sleep. This is the trap so many people fall into, right? You try all the surface level fixes, the nose strips, a different pillow, sleeping on your side. And hey, maybe they give you a little bit of relief for a night, but they always fail in the long run because they don't fix the real issue, what's actually happening inside your throat. So here's what's going on mechanically speaking. When you sleep, the muscles in your throat totally relax. For a lot of people, that relaxation plus the way their jaw and tongue are built causes their airway to get, well, narrow. And that sound we call snoring, that's literally just the vibration of the soft tissue as air struggles to squeeze through that tiny restricted space. If you take away one thing from this part, let it be this. Snoring is not the problem, it's the symptom. Think of it like a flashing check engine light from your body. It's telling you, hey, my breathing is being compromised over here. The real goal isn't to turn off the light, it's to figure out why the airway is being restricted in the first place. And that brings us to the unlikely hero in this story. I mean, if the problem is rooted in your jaw position and oral anatomy, who is better equipped to figure that out than a dentist who has specialized training in this exact area? Now, it's really important to get this distinction. We're not talking about just any dentist. A general dentist is fantastic. They're essential for your teeth and gums. But an airway-focused dentist, someone like Dr. Jung, has spent years in advanced training to understand precisely how your jaw, your tongue, and your palate directly affect your ability to breathe at night. It is a totally different conversation. Okay, so if the problem is structural, it makes sense that the solution needs to be structural too. And this is where modern dental technology is, well, it's a game changer. It offers a much more sophisticated approach than a simple nose strip ever could. Here's the core idea. It's called oral appliance therapy. Basically, it's a device that kind of looks like a retainer, and it's custom made just for your mouth. Its only job is to gently shift your lower jaw forward, just enough to keep your tongue and all that soft tissue from collapsing back into your airway while you sleep. All right, let's just clear up the single biggest point of confusion right now. A night guard that you get for teeth grinding is not the same thing as an oral appliance for snoring. They are completely different tools designed for completely different jobs. Think of it like this. A night guard is passive. It's just a cushion, a barrier to protect your teeth. But an oral appliance is active. It's like an architectural tool designed to physically support and open your airway all night long. One protects, the other opens. Big difference. But wait, it gets even more advanced. See, not all appliances are created equal. A standard appliance, that works mechanically. It's kind of like a splint. It just holds your jaw in a new position. An epigenetic appliance, though, that's more like a trainer for your mouth. It sends these gentle microsignals that encourage your body's own natural systems to actually remodel and optimize your airway over time. In other words, instead of just propping the airway open as a temporary fix, the epigenetic approach that Dr. Jung uses actually works to fix the underlying issue itself. It's about helping your body remodel and reorganize for better breathing. It's getting much, much closer to the root cause. And this whole approach, it connects directly to Dr. Jung's bigger philosophy of care. She sees the mouth not as a separate thing, but as a central part, a gateway, really, to your entire body's health and well-being. She calls it the 3 pillars of well-being. So first, you have structural balance. That's the alignment of your jaw, your airway, your posture. Then there's chemical balance. I mean, poor sleep throws your hormones off and seriously increases inflammation. And the third is emotional balance. Because let's be honest, nothing wrecks your mood and mental clarity like chronic sleep deprivation. The amazing thing is, addressing your airway supports all three pillars. This whole philosophy is just perfectly summed up in the title of her viral TED Talk. The teeth are a gateway to your well-being. The idea that what happens with your teeth and your jaw and your whole oral structure, it's truly a gateway to your overall health. It's a really powerful and paradigm-shifting idea. So you might be wondering, okay, what does it actually look like to explore this? Let's walk through the evaluation process because it is way more comprehensive than just a typical dental checkup. It all starts with a really detailed conversation about your health, your sleep history, everything. Then they use advanced 3D imaging to visualize your entire airway, something a normal X-ray just can't do. They can even set you up with a home sleep test directly through the office. And only after gathering all that data do they make an individualized recommendation. There are no one-size-fits-all solutions here. So who is this really for? Well, it could be a great fit if you snore all the time, if you've been told you have mild to moderate sleep apnea, or, and this is a big one, if you've tried a CPAP machine and just could not get used to it. Ultimately, it's for anyone who's tired of chasing symptoms and really wants to find the root cause. And the results? They can be pretty profound. You don't have to take my word for it. Listen to Jamie, a patient who said their improvement was noticeable the same night and that the snoring just stopped. That is the kind of life-changing impact we're talking about. Which really just brings us to the final question. After all the noisy nights and tired mornings, are you ready to see if the totally different approach can finally bring you that quiet, restful night you've been dreaming of? If the answer is yes, well, the first step is just a conversation. You can reach out to Dr. Jiyoung Jung and her amazing team at Central Park Dental and Orthodontics right there in Mansfield. All the information you need is right up on the screen. And look, whether you're in Mansfield or Arlington, Fort Worth, or really anywhere across the DFW area, this kind of specialized care is available. You don't have to just accept snoring as a normal part of life. There might be a real answer, and it might just start with a visit to your dentist.